Take time to review the full Standard 1 Change Agent using resources from ISTE in Fairfax County. Note that the standard includes 3 components: shared vision, equitable access, and change management. The analysis by Fairfax County further breaks these components down into literacies coaches may possess to demonstrate competency in the standard. Consider how the standard impacts the SBIT's role and grounds their work in the vision of the school and larger division. Whether you are currently or are considering becoming an SBITS, consider how you support and communicate these visions, and whether you need any additional information to do so more fully. Who else at your building or within the division might you reach out to learn more about shared vision, equity of access, and change management? How might you support your school and the division as change agents for effective technology integration? Download the accompanying goal-setting handout and use it to create your own goals for this module. What do you need to know or be able to do to successfully meet your goals? Consider reasonable action steps to help you meet your goals. Determine how you will know whether you have successfully met your goal or not. The following section introduces resources and some suggested activities you can use to address communicating a shared vision, equity of access, and change management. You may want to review these before finalizing your goals. You don't need to review all of the resources or complete all of the suggested activities. You determine which resources will help you reach your goals and be successful, which may include resources not listed here.